Just picked up a demo for the clinic. Shout out to Ace for hooking us up with 3 boats they're letting us use for the weekend. So if you need some gear, make sure you check out Ace. Fayetteville, West Virginia. All right, I've made it to the Greenbrier River up from Alderson. We're at the Greenbrier River campground. I got my tent set up and I set my buddy Miner's tent up. Him and Mo are coming up a little bit later. We're going to be here for 2 nights. We're doing the West Virginia Wildwater Beginner Weekend. We're going to do a scouting run this evening, me and a couple people from the club. We're going to eat dinner at Stuarts. Tomorrow's the class. The next day we just run the section and practice some more. So should be a good weekend. Come along with us. I'm going to try to catch some footage and show you what it's like. Thanks for checking it out. First run on the Greenbrier for beginner weekend. Just put in at Fort Springs. Got Carolyn, Bill, Cliff, me, and Wes Barthwick. Wes and Cliff are only doing half the run, but we're going to get down it. It's a little bit low. Sun's right in my eyes, and I didn't bring sunnies, so. Looking good.
Right to the rock.
That's fun. Well, it was a good little run on the Greenbrier, just our scouting run. Did a little bit of playing, a little bit of surfing. Got out at Stuarts. Some of our members were there, and Stuarts had nachos, hot dogs, and crab legs. That's the only thing they're serving tonight. Some of the guys ate, Mo and Minor ate. I think I might, there's a Subway down here. I might go get me a Subway sandwich. Sorry, Stuarts, you're just not doing it for us this year, guys.